too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great kankamukashos ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Mahama. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
As a presiding bishop, I declare you spiritually the next president of this nation. Amen. Number 2, I want to present this to you. This is the key that you need to rule us. Use this word. Use this word. All the wisdom, all the knowledge, the discernment is in this word. May the Lord bless you. I will see you and I'll come to the Jubilee House to salute you as my next president. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Reverend. Ezu Obabenke wo Imam Koni Leon Ekawa Solomomi Kufu. You are here. Imam Ibaba dear. You are welcome, Imam.
التكبير 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 يا رب بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا واغفر لنا ما بدا يا واسع الكرم واغفر الهي لكل مسلمين بما يتلوه في المكة الأسى وفي الهرم بجاه من بيته في طيبة الهرم واسمه قسم من أعظم قسم وهذه بردة المختار قد غربت والحمد لله في بني وفي عتم. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد الفاتح لما أغلق والحاكم لما سبق ناصر الحق بالحق والهادي إلى صراطك المستقيم وعلى آله حق قدره ومقداره العظيم. التكبير 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 التكبير. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم في العالمين إنك حميد مجيد. قل اللهم مالك الملك تؤتي الملك من تشاء وتنزع الملك ممن تشاء وتعز من تشاء وتذل من تشاء بيدك الخير إنك على كل شيء قدير. اللهم رحمنا في هذا اليوم. اللهم رحمنا في هذا اليوم. اللهم رفع جند الرحمن محمد. اللهم ارفع جند الرحمن محمد. اللهم ارفع جند الرحمن محمد. فاتحة. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Thank you very much, Salki and Imams. Vuvuzela, please. Many times Vuvuzela me panye fight. Nyani bi a jofio ko ni no fe no fio, bo fe ma bo otu. Amone maya ni osabu akoi. Ni ko sotu. Ni kama ba onye alo obaba bi agiu. Koni oflawo ni wonye wacha woni chumono ni osabu Abeyo. Anyaa. It's one of your handiworks. The works through your municipal assembly that was done. We couldn't commission it and we left power. The unperforming people have come and they've shared it to their people. But we know on Monday the people of Anyaa, Sotom and Ghana, we are going to take a critical decision. And when we come, the people of Anyaa, Sotom who belong to the NDC and Ghanaians will benefit from this project. Not the people who have not done anything for this country. On behalf of them, there is a market queen who wants to share a brief message before you speak. Market queen, over there, call here. You must feel me order. Come on, money na idea. Can money not you money? The money you come back and say after money.
NDC, hey, Anyaa market, B, Anyaa man B. Big banya fair fight. If you are Yanke, Bekodewo, John Mama, Eba Matemlane How. Nekawa Ake, Eba Mawa market. Young Maya Niese, you were Ebano. She may be Yaka Fide, or market here. Eba Male to Dubai. Neba ase male tomo kumate no ne ma ejeme mono ana ko mi yana no ni die nyo so tuom beke ba nyama kati jalami Santa Maria lole gbe ni ba jalami ehi hewo bia ne jala e bash ewo ke ba mi pare fai e ba kwawo no ni je nyo wo ye meji e ka fi ami fu ami sa mi kwawo ti wo ni e mo bo nyo ma ajo ye fe
yo mo ra do chowei wondanya shi ni benine especially ni ofiti obi loko me e wono o domo bi e keje nmaji nyoma te ba shi mene ni wo yi one ofanko bi amemme isakina ni jama sama amemme domi abra ni di obom domi abra amemme but no English amanfo amemme mini amanfo we jagbawe amemme malam nyemo ye wo hie wo ba panye fai koni bi ajo koni money e wo ni wo fa wo obi e ke na yemo angashi money e wo nesa ni wo fo chiki ju koni Ghana anaise Minda Ineme Mahmoud, former chairman, ne contest parliamentary candidate, ne ke he wale fair pia alote, aka afine owo sit ne Mahmoud Wondaboshi. Alaji Sariki ke ari me fair wondanye fair shi muajonye. We are grateful for the support you are giving to Alote in this contest. Ladies and gentlemen, you are ready. Help me say the victory of the NDC is coming again. And the people say, the victory of the NDC is coming again. And the people. Your Excellency, the people of Anyaa so too ready for our address. Thank you very much. Vuvuzela, down. Eyezu. Eyeza. Eyezu. Eza. Ehejo. Ehejo. Emefa. Emefa. Hey. 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 Too sure, too sure, too sure, too direct, too direct, too direct. Yeah, well, I don't. Ezu KJM Yemi Kalote Yemi NDC Rose, be quiet and don't be silly. We are the famous NDC. We never say die. Ezu nyana ke ni wala has lala ni chama ade huteshi Olympics jojine agosu ezu wo mancheme ke wazongo imam ke mancheme fe ke wo manyeme mecho ni madanyeshi boni wo MCA wie won kwanye fai ake beni wo ha ke wo ke ba hye bie wo pese wa si noni ke smoni yo wo te he wo nyekeke wo BS Ju oba for shiki Ju nyumo egbelegbe ake wachakemi ni ele ake dromo hewo NDC ba yenkuni ni woko se oba Ejake obabi wo he ake mini he wo fo shiki ko ni wona noya ni NDC yo boni wonya bi awie woni wo sa main street na awoshi pokwasi gbe ni wo fe lawyer station na Nini wo fe lawyer station eye wo plan na mi ake market ho oba sa market ni wo fe le ojogba si wo boy ko ni wo yishi ni wo nyemi mebako mo ko ba nye kemi poti titru ake afi edwenne ni MPP ba mi na afi aha aja so utombi Ezu anka ke je lawyer station na pe wo first school ye Anglican brand new school ye Anglican Ezu ni wo fe boreholes ye hefia he ke ni bi baba o wole ake be fe ke NDC ye government mi no ni wona no ya chike NDC je government me ni MPP ba that's all wona noko ezu ake nga ehi ewo npa ezu ke bekeshe na kai eba mlamla si ma fe le fio ni ke twie ba fitai ke blofo ke fe ba fitai mix ewo no beni NDC yo government me 2016 no me Nana Akufo-Addo wona etaku se dan ewo wona ko enichi modan she wona NDC no nile no promises ne ha ake Kenya for shiki nya ha me mafe nyanyake Kefo nya for shiki nya ha me mafe nyanyake wo fa wo kai bele ete school ya blochi ewo eyo slangs me bien kase no fia no ewo nyo tomo Ghana nyu ni waka keke Ghana ye mobo dodo yeti sikaso kom de ye ezu dawo fa waka na kawie mo ekeke wo halegbe ne bata se no ha wo 18 months e ba chake Ghana fe no me ejake afi ejeke jeno ne no ne ba fe efe egbena ewo lake eke portmanteau ke bag esa fe english koni Monday woje legbe ni joy here. Ezu minyanom nyame ama ekwenya se mande eba yebetimi ato aba na ya ye ensesemu ewo ya brabo mu enfie nnan akufado ni MPP betina aban so ebo mo hye nyina 2016 hwe ambam o hwe ye ewo Anyaa so tuma ye constituency ha enfie nnan ni ensio mai ya kwan nyina asai ye gota bibia asai enye kwan ya ye yi a efa ha ya anka Anyaa so tumu hwe bibia ekwan bi ani ho biom meanwhile afi ye the year of roads mpo ena roads na atete apansa kra ezu enso nyame adom NDC beba ezu NDC beba obi anim se NDC yene empunto hene ye shase Abraham wo ho se yesiesi akwan ni bi ukọ we jagba we ye shase eho nyina anka ye de bedru mohanso na fofia ntoata ene efia ban mu enti mepese mokamo akoma to munyem se nyame adom na NDC bana bebeya omapenya mo potem hanyina akwan no ene gutters no ye be sesi amamo Eza yama menso ye jom hema me pese me share no bo se NDC ba mudwa no ye besi no foforo ni aye ne kama amamo ezu. If you look in the NDC manifesto, we have indicated that the prime objective for NDC's desire to come back into office is primarily for one purpose, and that is to for young people. We are sitting on a ticking time bomb. In English, we say the devil creates work for idle hands. If our young people continue to sit at home without working, the devil will create jobs. To the army. But by the time you hear they have recruited policemen, by the time you hear they've recruited military officers, and that is because anytime the MPP is in power, it is about a few people, opportunities for a few people. If you don't belong, they don't put you in. In Chi, we say Koko football. So when you are young person, but anytime NDC is in office, when we are recruiting, we advertise. And we send the team to all the regions to go and select people to come into the police service and the army. That is what nation building is about. That you open the opportunities to a country to all the people or not just a few. This government has become a family and friends government. If you don't belong, then you don't benefit. Ezu, God has given us the opportunity to make a change. We have done what is humanly possible. I've crisscrossed all constituencies in this country to preach our message. Everything comes down to the wire on Monday. And it's your responsibility and my responsibility to make sure that the change happens. Let us not sit aloof and say the party has party agents at the polling stations. Let all of us be party agents on that day. I believe that if this election is free, fair, and transparent, there's no doubt about it. NDC will emerge victorious. The writing is on the wall, and our colleagues know it. And so intimidation tactics, deploying the military to our strongholds, just to intimidate the people not to come out. I urge Ghanaians, let your voice be heard. Let your vote count on Monday. Don't worry if there are soldiers and things around. All of you come out and vote. And my advice is, let's not provoke any crisis. Let's not provoke any clashes. That is exactly what they want. They are stationing their armed militia and all those people in places, and they want to create a provocation so that they'll use it as a justification to create a crisis and cause confusion to disrupt the election. So let us not give them the excuse. I know some of us are emotionally charged, but let's restrain ourselves and let's focus on making sure that our people come out to vote. That is the most important thing. And let's make sure that our votes are counted and that the count is tallied properly and it's counted and the calculation is done well, so that when at the end of it we put all the results together, inshallah, NDC will emerge victorious. As 2016 alaka o ni ake monso me hwe try me ni what try le afi edwene ni wona ake efe shele hewo be eshe koni wacha kemi afi ne anya alaka o abana ha shika fio ke kiso ke coal pot ke mama ke Maggie cube ke mini ke bulb, electric bulb ka abo shika mene ke wo oba yota bulb ba sha kiso oke ba fo oni bi e ba tan hewo water afi edwe mi je agbene ni akeki so baba hewo anya ahewo. We are not for sale, and our value is more than kinship. Our value is more than coupot. Our value is more than that small plasma TV they'll give you. Ezu amenye na meke o kenye for shikinye ha NDC kame ba free SHS abaje je minto makenya ke amaleni. Free SHS is not going anywhere. It has come to stay. NDC is coming to make it better. I'll give you an example. National health insurance. It was piloted by Rawlings. It was implemented by Kufuor in 2007. For those of you who don't remember, in 2007, the health insurance Kufuor introduced was a mutual health insurance scheme, and it was based on the district in which you were. So you registered with your district health insurance scheme, and you could use your health insurance only in your district. If you traveled outside your district, your health insurance card was useless. So listen to this. So Kufuor introduced health insurance. You know who came and made it better? Professor Atta Mills. It was Atta Mills who turned health insurance into a national scheme and made it a national health insurance, so that if you had your health insurance card from Anyaa and you travel to Bolgatanga and you fall sick there, you can go to hospital with your health insurance card. It is the same thing. Doesn't matter who initiated free SHS. Let's say Akufo-Addo introduced it. John Mahama is coming to make it better. Bonnie Anthony Vier, Mepi Meo, Mene, War. Today we'll sleep tomorrow. But I want to thank you for the turnout and ask of all of you to get ready with your voters' ID cards and get ready with your thumbs. NDC is number 2 on the ballot. And so when you get the ballot paper, the presidential ballot is going to be like this. And so you just look for number 2. And for the presidential ballot, you see my photograph, you see the NDC Akateria, and then there's the space where you put your thumbprint. Please try and put your thumbprint in the middle. Don't let it get near this line, because if it crosses this line, they will reject your ballot. Don't let it cross the line behind, below. If it crosses, they'll reject your ballot. So put it right in the middle. How do you thumbprint? That's the middle. A cross line abaka efite ke ba shishi hu ne a cross ne ke line no hu abaka efite e wo ne ke wote pepe ke ogbena minyarum enti ukokromoti kokromoti no wo de ebetim abato krata na mo fan tim enfinfi efise se uma ebe sa line na etra ombeka se wo vote say se tra hanso a ombeka se say enti mo gya no wo mfinfi pepe na wo ye no mfinfi wi a wo de team wi a na wo de ntomago na wo de apapa onsa pepe se na be ya ebe wo ansa na wo de onsa ka ballot paper ni biom se wanye sa na ink na wo na wo de ka ballot paper ni biom a ebekwa ko team baby foforo na ballot paper no omu hu se ukokromotin etim baby mienu a na che se wa ba na sei enti mesremo mutim wi a mompopa monsa na ink no wo ewo a ansa na wakuta paper no na wa bobom enti ne wo ho no parliamentary ballot paper no so mini aketwa alote ena nimfoni ewo ho ena kateriano ena be ena odi okokromoti no betim enti Monday my refi ye nyina yenkai se ye beto ama NDC. Me pamacho MPP for omo who say Anyaa ombe lusu majority in parliament. Omo nanam and omo kacha nkrofo say oh yenim say JM obewini enti yenim say mo beto aba ma JM. And so parliamentary no monto maye enti monto skirt and blouse. Yen to skirt and blouse bia. Yen to skirt and blouse bia. Yen to skirt and blouse bia. Yen to overall. Me watade afita for no. Ni apam trouser no ne shirt ni apam abobo no. Eno eni eto ewo ye constituency ha. Ezu iya ina mata da mazan na ge da kuduka. Atakbir. Ina ge da kuduka. Lokacin zabe yake don Allah sakaran gade kar mu bere alure mu kuma. Saboda me abinda ya kama da mu tambake mu. Tun lokacin da MPP ta zo cikin mulki aka kafa abinda ake kira Jongo Ministry. Me ya sake cikin rayuwarmu? Ezu in ba lokaci za a yi azumi a kawo wani sikiri kadan a kawo shinkafa a kawo mai duka kenan ba mu gani komai ba. Eza don shi mu yan kudi saboda lokaci zabe za a kawo kudi a kawo sabulu a kawo kolpot a kawo kayan da ake so a doki a sai hankalinmu ba ana sere mu bane ba kudi bane soyayya ne ba kudi bane soyayya ne. Ezu ale ba NDC nasara bari NDC ta koma cikin mulki ale taimaka to abinda ya saura noni she nke wonyemie ba chonye koni edia dance ake le ni woje ake le jiwo parliamentary candidate yeah Anyaa Sotom constituency ni enyemi leji Honorable Alote Emmanuel enti mepeja nensa na obi ehu se ono ene age atumu se 7 December yenyina yentu yaba Emma Honorable Alote Emmanuel. Ezu wanda nyesi nyuma jo wofe yada mwase nyamembo obi ahu bai mungode alete maka ekoma da kowa gida da lafiya. Thank you very much. God bless you. May God take everybody back home safely. God bless. Yada mwase mumose mamu yenye DS efata na ejuada bibia enkosu ujiri se nyame beye yesem kwan muma mundie kwan no mai munya no mo fanko eken.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability worth being beheld by every optical nerves. that saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Mahama One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are